Hello guys, Life Hackster here. Just a quick video today. And just a tip, if you're installing floodlight cameras or even just floodlights that has motion sensing that are wired into your existing house wiring, the junction box installs. Or use some type of smart bulbs or socket adapter to power up your cameras outside your home. And if you have Ring cameras that you have wired into your existing junction box, they have that hardwire kit. And you should know this already that they do need constant power for them to work. But more than likely, they're also wired into a wall switch inside your home. And how many times you or someone in your home have accidentally turned that light switch off? With us, many times before getting this. Anyways, what I've used in our home is this. These are called switch guards, switch protectors, switch covers. And this will prevent you from accidentally turning off the switch. And these are for the toggle type switches, but I also have one for decorator, paddle type, or rocker type switches. And to demo, I have two types of switches here, and let's start with the toggle type. Just unscrew the two screws, the one from the bottom and also the one on top. Keep the screws. Align the switch shield, which is the brand of this protector, to your switch. And screw it in using the two screws that you removed earlier. And now, no one will accidentally turn off this switch. And for this brand, this is what they call their level 2 security. If you want to activate the switch, you need to get something thin and long like a pencil that you can push down on this hole to turn off the switch, or on this one at the bottom to turn it on. Now you can set this to a level 1 security, which you will still be able to use your finger to activate the switch by removing one or two of these side tabs. And I'll just remove one by bending it back and forth like so. And now you have an access area right here. Let's screw this back in on our switch. And now the front side of the switch is still protected, but you can access it from the side. So you have two options to set this up. If you have a decorator or rocker type switch, we can use this. And you can just pull this down to open the cover. First, unscrew the two wall plate screws of your switch, and this time we will use these longer screws that came with this switch cover. Line up the switch guard and screw it in with two screws. And this rocker switch is protected. And if you want to open up the cover, then pull this tab down and lift up the cover. And now you can access the switch. And that's it. No more accidentally turning off power to your floodlight cameras. I will link these little gizmos in the description down below. Thanks for watching.